Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I decided to share today's job lead because almost everyone will qualify. They don't require very much at all, just 1 year of customer service experience, and I know most of us have that throughout a lifetime. We are going to dive all in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from the company Outlier.org. Now, they only have 12 reviews on Glassdoor, but one thing to quickly note about Outlier.org, they are formed by the people who owned Masterclass. If you've ever heard of like the Masterclass, like cooking with, Ramsay and all of those things, Masterclass was backed by some pretty big name celebrities. Outlier has a 4.4 out of 5-star rating. They are hiring a student support specialist. And again, it does say this company is from the co-founder of the Masterclass. They are trying to reimagine higher education as a resource that's accessible and affordable to everyone. But they are looking for a student support specialist to serve as the main point of contact for their students across the journey from starting enrollment through course completion and all communication channels. So you'll be working email, phone, and text. You'll respond to the student inquiries with clear, concise information and a warm, approachable tone. You'll maintain and exceed targets for key productivity. You'll collaborate with other support specialists to complete critical and timely task that's going to drive successful student outcomes, such as course-related updates, reminders, academic reviews, different things like that. You'll use critical thinking to identify available solutions for students at each phase of their journey, and of course, you'll help them troubleshoot any obstacles that they encounter with the Outlier platform. Now, no college degree is required for this position. Again, most people are going to qualify. All they're really requiring is 1 or more years in customer support. Related functions such as tech or startup experience is a major plus, but is not required. The only experience that is required is customer support. They want somebody who has great communication skills, great customer service skills, someone who can be a problem solver and multitask, and is comfortable using a computer and being tech savvy. Now, considering they're only requiring 1 year of customer service experience, they are paying well for this position too. Pay range is anywhere from $50,000 a year all the way up to $60,000 a year. Of course, they also offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, 401k, and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.